Please, just take a look and see how all the nuts holding this rail line have been stolen. Just look at. This is the difference. This one is there. This has been stolen. See? This is there. This stolen. All this all the way down. Over 50 on this line are stolen. What is 50? 50 is an estimation. Look at. After passing over 20, then I just saw one. Look at. All these are stolen. On the other side too. We have just 2 here. Just 2. And all the others stolen. Look at. And the train still ply this rail line. This is a disaster waiting to happen. Federal government, you need to come and see this. So, see, all the ones at the back stolen. Then we have just 3 here. Just 3. We have just 3. Then all the way down. Stolen all the way. Nigeria. May God help us. We are our own problem.